Imagine a romantic relationship. You love your partner deeply, you enjoy opening up to him or her, sharing your thoughts and struggles. You feel like your partner is transforming you into a better version of yourself. But at the same time, you are afraid of him or her. Your partner is so powerful and influential that if your agendas crash, he or she could destroy you. To me, this is a passionate but conflicted relationship. If I exaggerate more, it's a toxic relationship. The exact same relationship is emerging in the workplace: employees and AI agents. Let me make it more concrete. Here are some interesting statements from the Navigating the Agentic Revolution study from SAP's Future of Work Lab. When I'm stressed, I would rather talk to an AI agent and have it listen than talk to a real person. During difficult times, I would like to share a laugh with an AI agent. I would prefer sharing my success with an AI coworker rather than a human one. These are not marginal voices. Around 30% of employees are already comfortable with this form of synthetic artificial empathy. The pleasure and comfort here are real, but at the same time, 55% of employees are afraid of that AI agents will take away some other pleasure and most enjoyable parts of their jobs. 52% go even further and believe AI agents will eventually eliminate their jobs entirely. Yet no one denies the value. The same employees believe AI agents can create significantly more value than other forms of AI, even up to 5 times more. So the situation is this: a clear mix of emotions: fear, excitement, attachment, and utility. A story of emotional and cognitive tension at scale. We confide in them, we feel understood, we see the value, but we are also afraid. Let's add another dimension to the issue: hierarchy. Our previous examples were peer-to-peer relationships, but what about our perception of manager-employee relationships? 80% say, I want them to support my work, but please don't let them manage or supervise me. When asked what they would think if they were managed by AI agents, the most common response was apprehension. So, should these AI agents stay completely away from management processes? No, we actually want the exact opposite. 58% say, let our managers stay in their positions, but let them be augmented by AI agents. This would change many things positively. So people don't want AI agent managers, they want AI-powered managers. As you can see, the feelings initially evoke a somewhat love and hate relationship, as I mentioned at the beginning. However, the formula for turning this into something epic and amazing is in the hands of the organizations. When a governance structure is designed to alleviate employees' fears, everything can turn in everyone's favor. Yes, the enormous productivity potential brought by AI agents is a reality. This productivity redesign needs to replace high-time, low-efficiency areas that diminish human authenticity rather than areas where employees are already a productivity factor. Managerial effectiveness shouldn't be achieved by taking over decision-making mechanisms, but by identifying repetitive tasks that steal time from human-intensive tasks and addressing them with agents. Equally important is the communication of the work's redesign. Transparent and effective communication, including open collaboration, will make all employees and stakeholders the natural supporters and adopters of the process, of course. That's why, instead of forcing AI agents into familiar categories like intern, assistant, or manager, it's more effective to position them as toolmates, a category that is more capable than a traditional tool, yet distinctly different from a human teammate. I will share the infographic summary and the link to the full report in the description. It contains strategy suggestions on how to transform the work process into a fearless practice where humans and AI agents work in complete harmony. So what are your thoughts on AI agents? Would you like your teammate to be an AI agent or not?